Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Interesting Facts. Today's topic is about snakes. First, snakes live almost everywhere except Antarctica, New Zealand, Iceland, Ireland and some small islands of the Atlantic Ocean. Second, snakes are descended from lizards. Among the living lizards, their closest relatives are iguanas and spindles. The third, the largest snakes are reticulated pythons and anacondas. Their length can exceed 7 meters. The smallest snakes on the planet are Leptotyphlops carli, whose length does not exceed 10 centimeters. Fourth, the most venomous snake in the world is considered to be the McCoy's taipan. The venom obtained from one individual will be enough to kill 100 people. Its venom is about 180 times stronger than that of a cobra. 5. Snakes have transparent eyelids and remain permanently closed. 6. Snakes can hibernate under adverse conditions. 7. As of 2017, 3,631 species of snakes are known to science. 8. Snakes do not have a bladder. Urine from the ureters enters directly into the cloaca. 9. Snakes have a unique skull structure that allows them to swallow victims much larger than themselves. 10. The largest venomous snake is the king cobra. It is believed that if a person finds himself at close range with this snake, then he should align with it at eye level and, without making sudden movements, look at it. After a few minutes, the cobra will slip away, considering a person to be a harmless object. 11. Absolutely all snakes known to science are predators. 12. Snakes have nostrils, but they cannot smell with them. They detect odors using a forked tongue, which is used to collect particles from the environment and then transfer them to the oral cavity for analysis. 13. Snakes lack an outer and middle ear, as well as eardrums. But they are very sensitive to vibrations, so they are good at picking up sound waves coming through the ground. 14. Snake venom is produced by special glands located behind the eyes. It consists mainly of proteins, amino acids, fatty acids and enzymes. 15. The Brahmin blind man is the only snake species consisting exclusively of females. The eggs of Brahmin blind men develop without fertilization. 16. Although snakes' growth rate slows down as they get older, they continue to grow until they die. 17. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, the fastest snake in the world is the black mamba, which can reach speeds of up to 16 kilometers per hour. 18. Most snake species are safe for humans, and they maintain a balance in the ecosystem by controlling populations of rats, mice, and birds. 19. The Gabonese viper has the longest venomous fangs. Their length can exceed 40 millimeters. 20. Snakes with two heads are not uncommon in nature. Such individuals appear due to incomplete separation of identical twins at an early stage of their development. Such snakes rarely live long in the wild, as the two heads are most often aggressive towards each other, and in the event of a predator attack, it is difficult for the snake to decide which way to crawl. 21. Female king cobras build nests for eggs, which is completely unusual for other snakes. In addition, they always guard the nest, becoming very aggressive and attacking anyone who approaches the nest. Shortly before the cubs hatch, the female leaves the nest and goes in search of food, so as not to eat her own offspring. 22. The largest snake ever found on our planet was the Titanoboa. They lived about 60 million years ago. They could reach 15 meters in length and weigh more than a ton. 23. Depending on the species, snakes live from 4 to 30 years. 24. Fish are less sensitive to snake venom than warm-blooded animals, so the venom of sea snakes has a higher toxicity than that of land snakes. Despite this, their venom is practically not dangerous to humans, as sea snakes inject a very small dose of venom and rarely bite for self-defense. 25. Many paired organs of snakes, such as kidneys or reproductive organs, are staggered inside the body, with one of them almost always located in front of the other. 26. The World Health Organization estimates that about 100,000 people die from snakebite every year, with India alone accounting for about 50,000 cases. 27. Most snakes reproduce by laying eggs, but some of their species are oviparous and viviparous, which is most often associated with a cold climate. 28. Digestive enzymes of snakes dissolve everything except the victim's fur, feathers, and claws. 29. Of the approximately 725 species of venomous snakes worldwide, only 250 of them are capable of killing humans with a single bite. 30. To create an antidote to venomous snake bites, pharmacists collect a mixture of various types of poisons and inject them into the horse's body in gradually increasing doses until the horse develops immunity to the venom. Blood samples are then collected from the immunized horse. The resulting serum is separated, purified, and lyophilized. This method of making an antidote is used in the USA, India, South Africa, and Australia.